Hey guys, what's going on? This is Emilio Speedline Garage, and today we're having we're working on a 2010 Volkswagen Tiguan. Now this one we just finished rebuilding completely from bottom to top, and we're having lean codes with P0300, which is random multiple misfires, and P0302, which is a misfire in cylinder 2. We also have a P2187, which is the lean condition, so first things first, we wanted to smoke test the machine to make sure that we're not missing anything. We make sure we tighten everything correctly after reassembly. So what we did is we have our smoke machine here. We took the lower intake hose from the bottom of the core support there and fed our...
I'll go through it later.
So once we fed the smoke into the system, after about 2-3 seconds, we noticed the smoke was coming out of this port right here up top, and it's not supposed to. So upon further inspection, we popped the cover off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips here. It gets a little tricky, but if you have like a little pick, kind of like this, you can carefully pry it one by one. So once you pop this off, you're gonna have a spring there, and you're gonna have a diaphragm here. So let me adjust the light here so you guys can see. So this right here is supposed to be all one sealed unit. So this particular one, we noticed that it was all cracked. If you, this is not a good angle. So if you look down here, you can see it's ripped. So it's letting blow by oil and air past where it's supposed to, creating lean codes and misfire codes. So what we're gonna do is, you can actually buy these for about $15 online, diaphragms and the covers. So you can go that route. We happen to have a spare, so we're just gonna swap the whole PCV system and smoke test it again, make sure everything's working correctly, and then go for a test drive. So this is just a small reminder, you know, if you're having those codes, it could be, you know, vacuum leak somewhere where you're not necessarily seeing it. So smoke testing, if it's available to you, is a good option. If not, pop this off, check, make sure it's not ripped. If it is ripped, replace. If it's not ripped, rule that one out and move on to something else. So I hope this helps somebody, because this was a really simple repair for us, luckily. So yeah, good luck and happy wrenching.